have finally found a nursing bra that is comfortable and supportive at the same time. This fabric is like buttery soft and feels great on my chest, and when it rubs against his skin, it doesn't bug him, but it still has so much of a spandexy stretch that it doesn't hurt my back when my breasts are full as well. My favorite thing about these bras, it comes as a set of 3, so you have it in every color. It could go with any shirt, and it also has a wide back. This back is super stretchy and seamless so that it doesn't pinch your back when your breasts are full. The wide band underneath helps with support and comfort, and the sides go up towards your armpits, which prevent you from having that side boob. So I'm wearing the bra, no undershirt. This does look like a tank top to me, and it's very easy accessible. It does have this clip that comes undone with one hand. All I have to do is stick my thumb under it. He is ready to eat, and it flaps down. Still has this support band right here that goes from your shoulder down to your breast and makes it easy to hook back with one hand. When he's done, I just clip it back on.